As students at Fordham University, we benefit from having both a beautiful private campus and the opportunities of living in New York City. It is less often that we think about our environmental impact and the impact of our campus on New York City. With this in mind, we developed 6 goals to guide our submission to Campus Rainworks.
The first goal is to develop green infrastructure to mitigate campus flooding from stormwater. The second goal is to mitigate stormwater from entering the sewer system and avoiding pollution of the Bronx River. The third is to enhance ecosystem services around campus by building habitats and redistributing natural resources. The fourth goal is to improve the aesthetic and visual appeal of major campus hubs. The fifth goal is to improve site walkability and create an ease for transportation and social activity. The sixth and last goal is to address anticipated climate change threats such as increased rainfall, stormwater, and ice-snow runoff.
To achieve these goals, we propose working with Fordham's facilities team to implement a variety of strategies including bioswales, green roofs, permeable pavement, and detention systems. By improving the stormwater management tactics of Fordham University, we will be able to improve the health and sustainability of both our campus and New York City.